Bitcoin had a bit of a tumble today, but regardless, guys, the plan is still very clear. $1 million Bitcoin. Will it happen, and when will it happen? Let's take a look in today's Bitcoin update. Okay, now, guys, there's a lot of things going on in the market right now, and honestly, it just has been a pretty slow and boring market. But overall, guys, I'm still bullish. I'm still excited, and I think we are going to go a lot higher, ladies and gentlemen. So let's take a look. Bitcoin at $105,000 today. The 105s is crazy. We've pretty much been hovering around the 107s to 108s, and seeing us in the 105 now is pretty interesting. Now, in today's TLDR, a couple things. So first off, Bitcoin's institutional acceptance continues to grow as Strategy's Bitcoin holdings reach 500, almost 600,000, right? Saylor bought again yesterday, which is insane to think about. Michael Saylor, who is the CEO or founder of Strategy, has been consistently buying Bitcoin even at these prices, which really makes you think, damn, how much higher can we go? Now, the SEC's move to approve Grayscale's Bitcoin fund conversion to ETF significantly boosts the credibility of the crypto market, marking a regulatory step forward, okay? Now, it looks like mining has become more efficient as well, which is pretty cool. And overall, guys, Bitcoin is getting ready to blast the hell off, and so is BTC Bull. Now, guys, there are less than 6 days for BTC Bull to actually launch. If you guys want to get into the official Bitcoin meme coin, now is your last chance. I will leave a link down below. The reason I love this, guys, is because it will literally give you Bitcoin airdrops for just holding the meme coin. It's pretty cool, and it is something that is very sought after from Bitcoin whales. I know a lot of Bitcoin investors are aping into this as well. It is a smaller meme coin when it comes to size, in terms of relative size, of course, but again, the utility here is pretty cool. Every time Bitcoin hits a certain milestone, they will do a BTC airdrop or a token burn, so it is pretty cool, and it is something that I am keeping my eyes on. Okay, I'll definitely update you guys with more information once the coin launches, but again, a link will be down below for those that want to go ahead and ape into this. Now, Plan B tweeted this: Bitcoin June closing price is 107.179, a new monthly close all-time high, like clockwork. So it does look like we are still somewhat in a bull run. However, it does look like we are getting close to an end of the bull run, but a lot of people are saying that we are still going to have a couple more months of bullish momentum. We could see here in previous months as well, we did end up having all-time highs, in the yellow over here. And again, I strongly recommend watching Plan B's videos, guys, because they're much more in depth. But usually, during the red is when we first start to see little bits of upwards momentum, and then after that, when we start to see the oranges and yellow dots, which is 30 months until the next halvening, is when we'll see the peak all-time high prices. So it looks like we still do have a little bit more juice to go, and maybe we can get to that $150,000 range. Okay. Next up, if you don't have a small amount of Bitcoin by now, you're retarded. That is the PSA for today. Bitcoin after Fort Knox is audited 100%, guys. Who remembers when that was like a huge thing, and then everyone kind of just forgot about it? Like, no one really cares anymore, which is also pretty interesting. And finally, guys, only 0.27% of the global population can own one Bitcoin each. You're not late, you're pretty freaking early. Now, guys, if you do own some Bitcoin, I want you guys to subscribe down below, and definitely click the link down below and check out BTC Bull. It is a pretty decent project. Even if you just chuck in $1,000 or whatever, it might be something worth looking into. Just some house money. Now, guys, that is it for today. I'll see you all in the next one. Take care.